Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to buy PEPE Coin on your Coinbase wallet. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open your Coinbase Wallet app. Then you must go to the bottom right button called Web3. You just hit there, you go to explore and look for Uniswap, okay, or just type Uniswap, okay. You open it and you go to the connect button, you just connect, the pink button named connect, you just connect. Then you make sure the Ethereum network is on the top left, okay? You must make sure of this, okay? Then you select token, you just type PEPE and choose how much you wanna exchange between Ethereum and PEPE. You want to, how much you want to buy, okay? This is just a tutorial, of course, so I have no number here for Ethereum, but if you have some number, some amount, some quantity on Ethereum, you can exchange through to your PEPE, okay? So if you have this option, you just hit the swap button and you'll be fine, and you just bought PEPE coin on your Coinbase wallet. Okay, that's it. That's up for today's video. Hope you enjoy, hope you learn it. Please give me a thumbs up. I see you on the next video. Bye bye.